Hey guys, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today we're going to do a first look and unboxing at a new brand that we are going to sell on All Security Equipment. It's a German brand. It's actually one of the biggest garage door opener in Europe, and it's called SOMMER. And what we like about this is, like, in this package, you have everything you need to install a garage door opener for a door up to 8 feet high. So it comes with the rail, it comes with the remote, it comes with the motor, everything you need to install. So it's very practical. The rails are also commercial grade steel rails, which is great. So it's not like, little metal rails. It's like really hard and sturdy rails. So when we open the box, we do have all the manuals, some additional safety recommendation, and it comes with 2 boxes here and here. And we have the motor with the rail and the chain. So that's the motor, and then we're going to show you the rest of the parts after. So let me take this, put it here, and the rest of the rails. Really looks very sturdy, very nice. So what's great too is that it's really tiny, and it can carry doors up to 600 pounds for the first version. Then you can have other version that can carry up to over 1,000 pounds, I think. So here would be the control board. So the control board would be at the end of the rail, and basically the motor, instead of being in one part, the motor goes up and down the rail, which makes it a lot more efficient, a lot quieter, and a lot longer lasting as well. And then here we have all the mounting accessories you need. Photo eye, 1 remote. So the great thing is that this remote has 4 buttons, so you can control multiple doors with this remote. And you have a lot of very cool modes, such as the pulsating mode, which allows you to always make sure your door is closed. So whatever happens, if you press on the button that you set up as pulsating mode, if the door is closed, it's going to leave it closed. If the door is open, it's going to close it. So it's kind of like the save button. You leave, did I close the door? Click, and you're sure that it's done. Some little extra accessories, brackets, mounting hardware for the rail, some brackets to help with the rail for strength. And then here, that would be the wall controller. So it's really everything you need, which is really good. We're very excited. There are a lot of other accessories, so you can add additional lighting on this part of the unit. You can add a keypad, you can add locks, you can add alarms. One great feature of this motor is that if somebody tries to enter your garage and try to lift the garage, instead of just locking, the motor is going to activate and it's going to basically push against the person who's trying to lift, which would really makes it even harder to lift the door. And as I was saying, there are a lot of accessories that you can use with the SOMMER Garage Door. There is also a internet gateway. There is I would say, like a consumer internet gateway, and as well a professional internet gateway, which is great for installers. So whenever you have this installed, you can check the status of the motor. You can check the status of the errors in the motor without coming on site. You can directly remotely check that and then change some settings as well. So it's great for installers that want to make it a lot more efficient, because a lot of the time, customers think that there is a problem, but actually it's a very easy thing to resolve. and you wouldn't have to come on site to check the issue. So it's better for the customer, costing less, better for the installer, you know, less trips for small repairs. And that we have a couple of accessories here. So as I was saying, an extra light. So you already have one light here. So when the garage door comes up, you know, you would have the light, but you can also add an extra strip of light like this. And you can have also an outdoor keypad, just like, you know, most of the garage doors. So very beautiful aluminum mount. So you would drill and then mount this on the side of the garage, and then when you slide it in, you can at the same time also fix here, so that way nobody can, you know, play and take it out. You can also use this as a remote if you want. It's small, but it's still a little big, but it's a very cool, very nice looking keypad that is totally waterproof for outdoor use. So we are very excited to start our collaboration with SOMMER, and you will be able to find this motor along with the more powerful motor on our website, all of the accessories, tons of great accessories for security, safety, convenience, etc., etc. We're looking forward to helping you at all security equipment for the garage doors openers from SOMMER. You will find the link to all of these products, or at least the category of the product, in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.